All right, guys, we've got a brand new Scag Cheetah 25 model blacked out edition, 38.5 horse Kohler fuel injection. This got your full suspension system. This is the blacked out version with the LED lights. Check them out. Bam. And this mower here is $12,999. I've got a giant rebate on this thing. I'm one of the cheap, should be the cheapest in the country on this thing. We can ship anywhere in the United States using hot shot companies. We've shipped as low as $800 all the way to Maine. So $1,300 to California. It was pretty far. But yeah, no, y'all come get it. 623 North Main, 5400 transmissions. Check us out, www.kgmowers.com. All our prices, payments are on there. Send us all your information, your credit score, and we can start sending you apps. We also have no credit check financing, as well as we have 0% interest for well-qualified buyers. But y'all come